Good morning, children. Welcome back to English virtual class. I hope you all are enjoying at your home. Again, take out your English reader book. Today, we will complete the chapter The Fearless Fighter of Unit 3, Where There Is a Will. Today, we'll complete the question answers. First, let's revise the key points again. The main character of this story is Janki, and the qualities are determined, and she is hardworking and courageous. She went to England. She was suffering from polio. When she was 2 years old, she was attacked by polio. She wanted to cross the English Channel. She used to practice in the Arabian Sea. She made India proud on 28th July 1992. Now, let's start doing the question answers. All these key points are going to help you in doing all the question answers also. Let's start. First is question C6. Read the following extracts and answer the questions. Children, you will write the extract in your copies in the same way it is given. First, you will write extract, then you will write this complete sentence. Whoever wishes to swim in the channel has to fulfill two conditions. This is the extract. And the question is, who is the speaker of these words? Yes, very easy to guess now. One of the member of English Channel Association is the speaker of these lines. Next is, what are the two conditions? Try to recall. Janki told them. Yes, the two conditions are the participant should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in the water, and the second is the participant should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours without a break. Now let's do the next second extract. Although Janki had wanted to make a solo attempt, she could not do so. What does solo attempt mean? Yes, children. Solo attempt means to make an attempt independently. Why was Janki not allowed to make a solo attempt? Yes, Janki was not allowed to make a solo attempt because the special boat needed for her safety was not available. Now, questions. Answer the following questions. First is, why were the officials of English Channel Association shocked to see Janki? Yes, the officials of English Channel Association were shocked to see Janki because she was a physically challenged girl. Next is, what was wrong with Janki? How did it happen? Yes, Janki could not use her legs at all as she had been attacked by polio when she was 2 years old. Next question is, why were all the officials impressed with Janki? All the officials were impressed to see the certificates Janki had earned during the period of her training. Now, question number 4. In what way did July 28, 1992 create history? Answer is July 28, 1992 created history because on this day a physically challenged girl swam the English Channel and made India proud by winning the race. What were the difficulties that Janki faced while swimming across the channel? Very easy, children. Janki faced the following difficulties. First is, icy cold salty water entered her mouth and made her feel sick. Second is, the seaweeds and jellyfish kept sticking to her body and made her extremely uncomfortable. Now that's all. Homework is write and learn question answers. And thank you and bye bye.